Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to make this paper airplane which flies far when you throw it. To make this model, you'll need a sheet of printer paper. To start, fold it in half like this. And unfold. Now fold this corner into the center. And this one too. Now fold this edge to the center. And same here. Now fold it in half like this. Finally, you want to make the wings of the airplane by folding each of the two flaps down and then aligning the second flap with the first flap that you folded down. And you've completed your paper airplane.